Hello everyone, welcome to this stage of this training. Now in this particular video and in the subsequent video to come, I'll be teaching you about running social media sponsored advertisement with Facebook and Instagram, and now these are the pointers listed here. It's a practical video obviously, but then I just want to give you the pointers of what you will learn. So you'll be learning about the first is Facebook sponsored ad one, Instagram sponsored ad one, ad copy, about account manager creation using your web browser. You also have account funding, creating and running your ads, and also ad manager, like using your mobile app. The steps are kind of sequential. I just want you to try and follow closely so that we can get every detail I'll be explaining. Now in step one, this is all I'll be teaching you. In step one, I'll be teaching you about business page creation. That's the first thing you have to do if you want to run your social media ads. You must have a business page. It has to be a business page creation, and also business page setup, the second step, and also business manager and ad creation. I'll be showing you how you can create your ads from scratch, and also how you can add payments. Most of the times there are issues about this adding of ad payments. Most of the times Facebook will reject some of these cards, but I'm going to show you, so I'll put you through how you can add payments to your ad account. So very quickly, I will take it to the Facebook. So if you want to create an online presence for a business, the first thing you to do is to create a page for that business. So let's go to our Facebook. So here is our Facebook. This is the Facebook of a client. So I'm not going to be showing you some of the details here, but I'm just going to show you what you can do. So the first thing to do is for you to create a page. You click on pages, and then you click on create. So you create a page. Get started. Just follow the details. And the first information here is the page name. You put in the page name of the business. Let's say okay, due to what I'm going to be using for an explanation purpose here, I'll just use Oluwatobiloba Fabric. So this is the business name or the brand name of the client I'm trying to run an ads for. So this is just for explanatory purpose. So you fill in the page name of the brand. The next thing to do is to add a category. What category best describe Oluwatobiloba Fabric? So you select clothing and brand, clothing brand, and then you can select multiple options. You can search for categories here. You can search for, let's say, fabrics. Okay, you can include fabric shop here. So you can add up to only 3 categories here. So I'll just leave mine at 2. Then you create. Okay, so this is the next step to take. So one thing you have to do is to fill up all these details here. Ensure you fill up all these details. I have a page already for this brand, so I'm not going to be creating a new page. I just want to show you the basic things that you ought to do. And the first thing is to create a page. So ensure you fill up these informations here. I'll describe what your page is about, the website if you don't have a website, although some of these details are not that compulsory, but ensure you fill in as much as you can. You had the email address, the phone number, the location, the city, and the hours, the working hours. So the next thing to do here is just ensure you follow all the processes so that you can have your page created. So here you customize you put in your profile pics, the profile pics of the page. I think that's the only thing you do here, and then you edit the action button. Then the next thing to do is connect your phone number, that's the the WhatsApp business phone number to the page. So after connecting that, this is not really necessary. It's not necessary you invite friends, but if it's something you would like to do, you can also include this. So you can invite your friends just to create awareness to them that you have a business page running for whatever you're selling. So I'm just going to, I will skip all this and go back since I already have a page for this. So the first thing to do is to create a page. After creating a page, then you go to your web browser and you search for www.businessfacebook.com. That's where you set up your business manager account after setting up your business page on the Facebook of the client or your Facebook page. So the next thing to do is to go to your web browser. After creating your page and filling in all those details, you go to your web browser and you type in www.businessfacebook.com. So I'll just skip all this and go to the web browser. So here is my web browser. Just type in www.business. You search for business.facebook, right? business.facebook.com. You can see it here. business.facebook.com. So ensure that's what you click. If not, you take it to my website. So here is what the business manager looks like. This is the home page. So when you put in business.facebook.com, it will direct you to this page. So the next thing to do here is you click on this the button at the right corner here, at the right top corner. You click on this, then you click on create a page. So if you've created a page already on from your Facebook, that's from the explanation I gave, all you just have to do here is just to log on to the Facebook account of the business owner you're trying to create an ad for. So just log into the page. So I've having logged on to the account, to the Facebook account. Here you have the opportunity to create a new page, just like the way we created the Facebook page. So there are two ways you can create a business page. Either you come to your business manager using the web, or you create a page directly from your Facebook. So yeah, you fill in all these details, put in your page name, put in your profile pics, and you just fill in all the details there. So there's no need for me going through all this again, because I already have some saved pages here. So just ensure you fill in these details. So after filling up these details, your page is already created. Start creating a page. The next thing to do is to move on to your browser and go to web.facebook.com/ad-manager. So that's the website you go to. So you log on to the website, and then it will take you to the ads manager page. So after getting to the ads manager page, let me show you the website, or let me show you the link. This is web.facebook.com/ads manager. web.facebook.com/ads manager. So that's the address. So here is our ads manager. You can see I have a lot of campaigns that I've created. Some of the only one active now, that's for a client. So yeah, we want to create an ad. That's the next step to do. We want to create an ad, but before creating an ad, you must ensure that your business page has been created. And apart from your business page, let me just quickly show you how you can add a payment, because those are the things that will be flagged as red when creating your ads. So you have to add a payment method before you begin the creation of your ad. So let's just click on this button here. Click on this button, then all these details will come up. Then the next place you go to is to click on billing. So you go to billing, and then you add so when you click on billing, it will take you to the payment platform where you can add your cards. So you just click on payment setting. You go to payment setting, click on payment setting, and then click on payment setting, and then you come to add payment method. You just come straight down to payment method, add payment method. Then you click on add payment method. But one thing you have to note is that Facebook allows, they don't accept Visa, they don't accept Verve, but they accept Visa. So you can make use of you can see the cards that they accept. You can make use of Visa cards, MasterCards, and Union Pay and Amex. These are the cards they accept. Anything apart from this will be rejected. So let's say we want to add a debit or credit card. Let's say we want to add a MasterCard. Okay, so what you just have to do is to fill up these details here: your card name, the name on the card number, the month, and the expiry dates of the card, and also the CVV that is always at the back of the card. So after filling this up, you save. So when you save, the card will be added to your payment option, and then you have your card saved. So that is simply how you can add a payment method. Although sometimes Facebook will reject, there are some cards you reject, even MasterCard they reject some of the cards, but keep trying. Make sure you use a card that is active, an active card. So that's just that on that. So I'm just going to go back. I'm not adding any other card because I have a card saved on this account already. So I'll just go back, and we'll create an ad for our business, for our products, or for what we are trying to advertise. So what I want to advertise on is want to promote fabrics. Oluwatobiloba Fabrics. That's the brand that's the client I'm trying to run ads for here. So what you just do is so you go back to your ad manager page. Here you have this. You may not see all this in yours when you log on to this because you've not created any ads. So I will just you may not find all this there, but what you can just do is just to click on this create button here. When you click on this create button, it will open a fresh page where you can create a new ad set, a new campaign ad set, and the ad itself before you publish. So I'm going to walk you through how you can create a Facebook ad. You can also create an Instagram ad from your Facebook, from this ad manager. So I'm going to be showing all that, but our time is beyond is above 10 minutes, so I'm going to stop this video here and continue in the next video.